Aim down there. Aim down there. Keep low, keep low, keep low. See? No, I hit him.
Sorry, mate.
Sorry now.
It's random.
You've got a bolt action. Come on, push up. Oh, fucking.
My glass is steaming up.
Alright, guys. We need to walk up and just keep firing in all the bushes and trees at the same time, alright?
Simon, go first.
Simon,
You can fucking let a barrage of it off.
Basically, you need to just walk up and absolutely hose, alright?
Hey?
Guys, you ready to push forward, yeah? Right, Simon, with me, with me.
Okay.
Okay, just push forward, hosing everything, alright? Guys, you ready to move?
Straight across, yeah?
Right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's start firing, boys, come on.
Delta! Scott, no!
Hit Delta! Guys, come on, let's keep moving!
Down!
No, man, that came in close. Fucking off himself, how the fucking long.
There's a rabbit hole here.
Drop one.
What'd you thought? Oh, fucking hell. He's hit. Yeah, he's down. They're all down, looks like. Oh. Where's that coming from?
There's a guy at the back, but he's not firing.
Let's go across. I saw a lot of dead men, guys. Well done.
Stop this gas.
Can I spit on yours?
Delta!
I got a new iron sight view on my camera. We're over here!
Come on, guys, let's keep moving! Keep moving up!
Sky's the dead zone here!
Come on, keep coming, Simon! Boys!
Look at that, straight down the sight.
Boys! Right, are you okay to move up now? How many? How many of them down there?
That was quick.
Scott, you can move into there, mate. That'd be great. You can move into here. Simon, push up. Come here, come here. I need you on this tree here. Delta on the right, Delta behind you, Scott. Keep moving up here, keep moving up here.
Shit!
Delta! Where did that come from, sir?
He's dead! Right. Oh. Delta! I know. Just making sure. Delta! There. Yeah, I'm just really hot.
Cover fire!
Shit. I'm on my edge, yeah? They're all hitting the trees, or is that you? Scott, careful, you got a sniper behind you. Or rifleman.
How many have we got down here?
Good, eh?
Scott, inside. See where all these little trees are, a bunch here, and those bushes.
Yeah.
And you just get.
You need to get in there, yeah?
And these ditches here, so you've got cover. Just get down. Right, there's more Delta moving through there. Yeah.
Shit. Shit.
Right, guys, I think we need to.
Can we not get round here? Come round.
No. Straight across here. Basically.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go on then.
Right. See this little clearing here, guys? Need to get into there. Like that, guys. Guys, are you ready for the covering fire?
I think he was, yeah.
Yeah, you ready? Okay. Stop the mark.
Delta!